Hi, my name is Antonio Zamora with A&J Vendor Supply, and today I'm going to show you how to install a crossarm on a T-post. A few things that you're going to need. It's going to be a 7/16 socket and the U-bolt with its flange nuts. Next thing you're going to need is the crossarm itself. So from here, you're going to make sure you line up the lock pattern on the T-post, just like this. This is going to help it and prevent any kind of rocking from side to side. The next thing you'll have to decide is whether you're going to use the slots or the T-bites. So from there you can flip it upside down, you can flip it this way, it doesn't matter, it's still going to work the same. Third step here is you're going to take the U-bolt and you're going to slide them right through the slots on the crossarm, just like that. Take the flange nuts and screw them right onto the U-bolt, just like that. Do the same thing on the opposite end. Now to secure the crossarm, you're going to want to tighten one side first and then tighten the other side, just like this. And that's how you install a crossarm on a T-post. Hi, my name is Antonio Zamora with A&J Vendor Supply. Today I'm going to show you how to install a crossarm on a rolled edge line post. A few things that we're going to need is a 7/16 socket, the U-bolt, its flange nuts, and the crossarm. So first step is decide what notch pattern we're going to use on the crossarm. So if we're going to use the slots or the T-bites, either way, we just flip it around, simple. From here, we're going to take the U-bolt, come around, and put it through the slots, just like this. From here, we're going to take the flange nuts and put them on to our U-bolt, like this. We do the same thing on the opposite end. Okay. And then just to tighten them up, we're going to take the socket, do the same, there you go, and that's how you install a crossarm on a rolled edge line post.